Seal with confidence using Kraken Aquarium Silicone Sealant. This 100% waterproof solution is crucial for permanently fixing leaks and damage in your aquarium setups. This sealant is aquatic life-safe, providing a non-toxic environment for your fish and other aquarium inhabitants. Ensure a safe habitat with Kraken Bond. Kraken Bond Sealant offers all-weather resilience. No matter if you have a warm tropical setup or cold water aquarium, it keeps your seal intact under all conditions. What makes it stand out is the crystal clear finish that blends seamlessly with your aquarium's glass. This is a repair that's strong yet elegantly invisible. With 311 reviews and an amazing 4.5-star rating, Kraken Bond is the ideal choice for all your fish tank repairs. Many users rave about its strong adhesion and fast curing time. If you're ready to give your aquarium the seal it needs, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tips.